pressure to draw the material through the line. Tip up. There you go. Because I have my hand on it, it's building up pressure. Not sending the material up. Really struggling, and then you have this material drop down into the hose spot in the line. What'll happen is eventually the machine will run out of material and the line will back up. You've got to actually take apart the pipes and vacuum it out to clear the jam. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a knife and cut the line and reattach it. So just take off the hose clamp, cut the line above this spot. See, with my finger on there, it's actually just holding it in with suction. I'll just cut above it and just reattach it to the pipe. I'll use the slotted screwdriver on my Leatherman Wave. I actually use the screwdriver on this more than I use the knife blade. Once it's loose, I'll just slide the hose clamp down on the collar, and I'll take my buck 285 and cut through this. That's usually where you're going to find your leaks in this hose, is anywhere where there's a bend. You'll hear a hissing noise. Sometimes it'll be a howling noise. Sometimes it'll be up there where the material line's connected to the tubing. Sometimes it'll be at the machine, at the loaders, anywhere where the hose has some sort of bend. Sometimes there'll be multiple holes, there'll be small holes, and you can put your hand around there and feel the suction in different places. So you may have to cut off a larger section than this. And sometimes the hose has a metal reinforcement, this one doesn't, but I can simply use the cutter on the needle nose with my Leatherman to cut right through that wire.